Alright, now that I have my drawing created, I'm going to go ahead and start editing my sheet format here, so that way it'll bring in the values that I had set up in the model of the part. So I'm going to go ahead and go over here to sheet format, edit sheet format. And so if I just go in and go to annotation, and create a note, and I put that in, you'll see that I've got some other things here. So this one is I can link it to, I can add a hyperlink. Here I can bring in properties. That's what I want. So I want to bring in properties. If I use current document, it's going to use the drawing file, but I want to use the model that's found in the drawing. So that way when I add new sheets and I put different files of parts on each sheet will show the properties for that individual part there. So now I can go down here and tell it what I want. So I want this to be that drawn by. Remember I had done that one. I'm going to say OK. I thought I did. Here, model, drawn by. Okay, I guess maybe we'll see. I'll just go down here for the drawing number. I don't like the drawing number. I like it to be the part number, so I'm just going to change that to be part number. I'm going to click on this one. I want to erase that and tell it to be model found here, part number. And you can see it put in that number there. Let's see if I can do that. Check by, so model found here. Check by. No, it doesn't want to do that one either. So let's just see. I'll have to see why it's not working on there. And actually, we'll just do that here. So we'll just pull that one up. We'll go here. And now we'll just go to the file properties and take a look at what that is. So we need to tell model, go properties, and then the checked by, oh, it's blank because we didn't put anything in. So I'll put that something in there, and then, and say, check by, say OK. There we go. We can tell it to update. There we go. Now we get, helps if you actually have values in where you're wanting to put that. So I can grab this and move it to where I want it to be. Stick that under the drawn by. We can do the same thing for the dates and everything in here also. So I can say OK. That's maybe I want to put in a company name here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in company, add whatever I want there, and now I'm just going to say, and maybe I'll fix this up too. So maybe I want to update these and tell it that I want to use per ASME y 14.5. That way they know to use ASME tolerances, not ISO. And I can put in my tolerances and things here. We'll talk more about that in a little bit. And I'm going to go and say, OK. I want to fix that too if I was going to actually do this. Now that's there. And so I can go in and I want to save this sheet format. So I'm going to right click on it. Actually, I'll just go up here, SolidWorks, save sheet format. I want to call this mine. I'm going to stick it, I can either stick it in this folder or I'm just going to stick it on the desktop. I'm actually stick in documents. That way I know where it is. And I'll hit save. And there it is. So now it's saved in my documents. And so next time I want to do this, I can go in and hit close. I'm not going to save that. Now I can just go make drawing, say, all right. And I want to tell it properties, And I'm going to browse, go to my documents, grab my file, and apply changes. And you can see it's updated. And now once I enter in part, oh no, I had already saved one that didn't have anything else in it, so I'm going to go ahead and just edit it now. Drawing, model views, pick my part, tell what I want for my front view, put those in, and nothing is still coming up. So I just need to hit the update button, and now everything is there.